Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to do recovery password of the Cisco ISE 2.7 via command line interface, and that is a different account than from the web GUI. Okay, so imagine that we don't have or we don't know or lost the password of the admin access for the CLI of the Cisco ISE, and how we will do recovery. In our case we have Proxmox and virtual machine, but in another case you can have physical machine or whatever. But what you have to have is ISO image. In our case we have it, and we will in boot order change to boot firstly from the ISO image. Okay, click enabled and click OK. Also you can leave this, but later you will need to restart, so I suggest to only leave ISO image, say OK. I will stop the machine and then I will run machine again. Okay, now the next step is to choose this option number 3, system utilities, keyboard monitor. Wait a second. And now go to option number 1, which is recover administrator password. Now go to the choose admin, so the first username, and put the new password. Okay, let's do it again. Enter, save, enter, and quit. Okay, now let's go back to the options, boot order, disable this, enable your storage where is installed version, put on the first place, say OK. And now I will stop machine again. Yes, and start again. Be aware there is sometimes in background, so to process to boot up, so be patient. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, let's try now. Okay, it's incorrect. So why? Because still in the background is process which is not in the running state. So I will pause the video and wait 5 to 10 minutes to connect to the process in the background to be in the running phase. So let's wait. Okay, let's try now after 5 minutes. And here it is, we logged in. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.